Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to freeze frame using Filmora editor. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So here I have this video added to project media in Filmora. Let's drag and drop this video to video track 1. And now if we want to freeze frame at any given point in time, all we have to do is just pause the video at that point in time. Let's say I want to freeze this frame here. Then right click on the video, move to speed, and in here select add freeze frame. Now this is our video in light blue, and here in the middle this light gray is our frozen frame. So if I replay the video, this is the frozen frame. It carries on for a few seconds and then the video continues. Now if you left click here on this freeze frame section, on the right hand side you'll be able to adjust the duration. So let's say if I change it to 1 second, click enter. Okay, now if I replay the video, this is our frozen frame. So it stops and then it continues. Okay, and this is it guys. This is how you freeze frame in Filmora. Quick and easy. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.